Good morning children. So continuing to class 4 children, social studies. Okay. So we were seeing the lesson, the coastal plains and the islands. So in the previous video we saw about the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. So the last topic is islands of India children. Okay. So what is an island? The island is a land surrounded by water on all three sides children. So all three sides you have the water over there. So that is called as an islands children. Okay, islands. So in India also you have two islands children. One is Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal and another one Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea children. Once again I repeat, India has two islands. One is Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea children. Okay. The next one I want to show you in the map children the Andaman and Nicobar Islands first. See, this is your Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. So this Andaman and Nicobar, these two parts, okay, are separated by the 10-degree channel children. Okay. This is the part, this is also sea only, fully Bay of Bengal sea only, but here this gap is called as 10-degree channel children. Okay, 10-degree channel separates these two Andaman and Nicobar Islands children. And one more thing, as it is separated from the mainland, see India, the other countries are there, as it is located in the sea, tribes are living over there children. They are one of the tribes are Sentinelese. Okay, they are called as Sentinelese. They live like aborigines. Aborigines means how that humans know how they lived. Like that only they are living over there. They have no contact with the outside world. Whatever they have in their place, with that only they are living children. Okay, the tribe is called as Sentinelese. Okay. Then moving on to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands children. Its capital is Port Blair. Okay, the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair children. It is Port Blair is the capital. Port Blair is the capital children. Okay, so mainly how would have they formed means they are the extensions of the northeastern mountains children. See, you could have observed in the map the Himalayas children. Okay, Himalayas, this side the northeastern states are there, no? Their extensions only they tell. Okay, so here you can observe this is your Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are telling they are the extension of these mountains over here children, like this. Okay, some actually this is like a mountain only. The visible part becomes your island. Most of the mountain part is down the below the sea children. Okay, so then they are extension of this northeastern mountains children. Okay, then next one you this in this Andaman Islands. Okay, they are telling us they are extensions of the mountain system in the northeastern part of the country and they are of volcanic origin children. Volcanic origin. The lava which flows out from the volcano, it is called as lava. So that's why this region is of volcanic origin and it is a union territory children. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are very far away from the mainland of India. So you could have observed now as I showed you now on the map. See, this is our India is our mainland. See, observe here where Andaman is located. So it is far away from the mainland children. Okay. And then next one is your, here in Andaman and Nicobar Islands you have the Indra Point children. Indra Point. Indra Point is the last place children. Okay. Down if you go, it is the southernmost tip of India children. Actually we say it is Kanyakumari, but when we consider this Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is the Indra Point. Okay, Indra Point is the last or the most southernmost tip of the India, children, for India. Okay, if they ask for mainland, it is Kanyakumari. For all India means it is the Indra Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, and then this there stands a lighthouse, children. Okay, so it was partially submerged during the tsunami which happened in 2004. So they have given two pictures here, children. Lighthouse here down covered with water and another one without after tsunami. Okay, so lighthouse, and they have showed the Andaman jail, children. It is famous only. During the freedom struggle, the freedom fighters were sent to this Andaman jail, children. Okay, so it is called the cellular jail, also known as Kalapani. And then next one it will come in the other topic, children. Lakshadweep I will tell you. So this is Kalapani cellular jail in Andaman, children. Okay, so as usual, you know, as it is covered by the sea, the climate will be very hot and humid, children. It rains regularly here. Rice, maize, rubber and coconut are the main crops over here. Rice, maize, coconut and rubber, children, and they are thinly populated. As it is an island, no, most people will not prefer to go and stay over there. So it is thinly populated and they have a dense forest, children. Okay, dense forest and mostly inhabited by the tribal people. Okay, mostly inhabited by the tribal people. Now for the past after independence like that, people started going and staying over there. You have the military presence over there and some other works also going on, children. The next one is your, it has got the tourist attraction, children. Okay, many tourists visit the places for its beaches. Okay, so it is also a tourist attraction place, children. Next, coming to the Lakshadweep Islands, children. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Okay, on the western part. So the Lakshadweep Islands are located on the Arabian Sea and Kavarati is its capital. Capital is Kavarati, children. Kavarati. Okay, the Kavarati is the capital of Lakshadweep, and previously it was called as Lakadai. Okay, previously it was called as Lakadai Islands. Okay, the name has been changed to Lakshadweep. Okay, so they are surrounded by beautiful coral reefs, children. Okay, why coral reefs are very important means it is the surviving place or for many fishes and animals living under the sea and gives food for the fishes, children. And the coral reef only many living organisms are there. Okay, that and all you will study in the higher class specifically about coral reefs. So in the world everyone is scientists or many people, naturalists, no, they all tell we have to protect this coral reef, children. Okay, so many in the seaside only you can find this coral reef. Okay, coral deposits also you can see near the Kerala coast. Okay, and then coconut is the major crop here, children, and otherwise rice also grown, rice, vegetables and some fruits, but mainly it is the coconut, children, major crops. Okay, jackfruit, and others are farming, fishing and tourist attractions. Okay, farming, fishing, and it is the many tourists also visit these places. Okay, so very small notes about only the Lakshadweep Islands. Main thing you have to know about the capital, children, and both Andaman and Lakshadweep is a tourist place, children. So we will have a comparison between Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands, children. So Lakshadweep Islands, it is located in the Arabian Sea. These islands are flat they are not far away from the coast. Okay. Then coast means they are telling that they are near to the Kerala coast, children. So you can observe here, you can easily reach over to the Kerala, children. Okay. Cochin is the nearest port for them. So from the Lakshadweep Islands you can easily reach near the Kerala coast. That's why they have given not far away from coast. And they are formed from corals, children. They are formed from corals. Actually, I don't want to go into detail. That is, so they are formed from corals. Islands are less in number. They are having only 43 islands, and Kavarati is the capital, children. Whereas for Andaman and Nicobar Islands, it is located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are hilly. As I told now, they are rising continuous mountains of the northeastern parts. So these islands are hilly, far away from the coast. So I showed you in the map now, from mainland India, it is very far. And then they are of volcanic origin. Islands are more in number, children. There are nearly 300 islands are there, and the Port Blair is the capital. So always take your book, any location or places or features are given means read along with the map, children. Then only you can memorize it easily. Just as you read and go, you will not understand. Always read with your map. Okay, these are places located the world, children. So they are telling about that. So always look into the map and then study, children. Thank you. See you in the next class.